and welcome to knowstuff.co.uk. I'm Matt, and today Amy Stanford Photography are bringing you 3 easy photography tips to elevate your photo and Instagram game. Composition, or in common terms, putting the image together in your head before you take the photo. It may sound simple, but make sure the subject of your photo is the main focus of your image. The easiest way to do this is to imagine your image in 3 equal sections top to bottom. The top is the background, then the middle, then the bottom third is the foreground. Most digital cameras and smartphones have a feature you can turn on that give you grid lines on the screen to help with this. The foreground and the middle should be the focus of your image. And remember, you can move around as well as the camera can, so don't be afraid to sit, lay down, or kneel to get the best shot. The background. Whilst not the focus of your photo, the background frames the image. Consider if things in the background are going to draw the eye away from what you are photographing. For example, taking a portrait of someone, but in the background a lamppost is sticking up from their head, or the classic taking a selfie in an untidy bedroom. Finally, lighting. People and objects look very different depending on how they are lit, so play around with your light source until you get the best result. This could mean moving a lamp, using a torch, or moving what you're taking a photo of to get the best look. Play around with the lighting until you get the best result in camera. We'll touch a little more on lighting hacks in a future video. That's it for now. Take time to compose your image, check your background, and then make sure the lighting works in your photo. Doing these 3 simple things will make sure you up your photography game no end. Thanks for watching. I've been Matt from knowstuff.co.uk. Why not let us know in the comments if you have any questions you'd like answered in a future video. Take care.